So growing up, I remember a dessert that I absolutely loved, and I've been struggling just to figure out what it is, because no one else seems to make it, no one else seems to know what it is. So after a lot of research, like true crime level research, I figured out that it's torta cake. And it kind of is like a volcano on the top, but like a solidified volcano. And then the inside is like chocolate lava. So it's not something you've ever seen. It's a dessert that's like out of this world. And so I've been wanting to eat this torta cake.
Eat this?
Oh! And here it is. Wishes do come true. Wow, there's suddenly cream on it as well. I mean, what else do I want? Timmy, do you want some? Good, hey. Now the question is this as good as I remember? Timmy, you want some? Good, hey. Very good.
A few moments later.
Oh, this is so good. Very good. Timmy, what do you think? To get the recipe for this delicious dessert, head to Eat This YouTube channel. It's really good.